Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important topics in higher mathematics for the students of standard 9 and 10. And I am going to start the formally my academic content from chapter 2, Algebraic Expression, and last few topics and classes we have already done up to number 7. And today I am going to start from number 8 and number 9. And in times of number 8 and number 9, we have to apply this formula: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is a plus b plus c square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the factorization form and this one is the corollary form. And you have to apply these two formula in times of number 8 and number 9. Okay, in the first content now I will prove this formula, then I will do number 8. Okay, start from the left hand side. Number 1, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, just write here a cube plus b cube formula: a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. The remaining c cube and their 3abc. Okay, now just arrange the data: a plus b whole cube with c cube, and from these two parts we can take here common, 3ab is common, so minus 3ab is common, this one and this one. The remaining a plus b, there will be plus c. Now use another formula, first two part, a cube plus b cube, this will be a plus b plus c, and then a plus b second bracket a square minus ab, then plus b square, and here minus 3ab, a plus b plus c. Now which one is common? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c common from the two sides. A plus b plus c is common. The remaining here a square plus twice ab plus b square, and do multiply here minus ca minus bc and plus c square, here minus 3ab. This one will be the first bracket. So now a plus b plus c. Now just arrange the data: a square b square and plus c square, and that's the 3ab minus twice ab plus twice ab will be minus ab minus bc minus ca. So actually these are the right hand side, the first one. So this is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal a plus b plus c, and a square plus b square plus c square, ab minus bc minus ca. So this is the formula of factorizations. Now we will find and we will do simple calculation from the second part to get the corollary form. Okay, right here in the second part, if you write, okay, start from here. This is the first answer. If write here a plus b plus c, and if you write here a square plus or a square minus twice ab, square minus twice ab plus b square, or use all the two times like here. Okay, multiply half and just multiply all cases by 2. A square plus twice b square plus twice c square minus twice ab minus twice bc minus twice ca. Now half just before first, a plus b plus c. Okay, this one is, we can write a square minus twice ab plus b square, then plus b square minus twice bc plus c square plus c square minus twice ca plus a square. Just arranging the data we can write here. So this one is now half times of a plus b plus c This one is a minus b whole square, and this one will be b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. And this theorem is already given in the example of your textbooks. So just before doing this one, we have to apply this formula. That's why we have shown this one again. So this is the corollary form of the formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And half times of a plus b plus c, a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square, c minus a whole square. And using this formula, you have to do number 8 and number 9. Okay, now first give attention to the number 9. Sorry, number 8. Okay, number 8 given that 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube equal 3 times of a, b, c. Now write here 1 by a whole cube plus 1 by b whole cube plus 1 by c whole cube, and minus 3 times of 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c equals 0. Like 3 times of 1 multiply 3, a, b, c multiply. This is the positive right side, so shifted to left side minus. 1 cube equals to 1, a cube equals to a cube, 1 to the power 3 equals to 1. So now what we see here, a cube, b cube, c cube minus 3abc. So use the corollary form. Half times of a plus b plus c. Second bracket 1 by a minus 1 by b, a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Just using the corollary form of a cube, b cube, c cube minus 3abc. This one is right side, there will be 0. Now take LCM, divide by half in the both sides, so half will eliminate. Taking here LCM ABC, this will be C plus CA plus AB, and second 1 by A minus 1 by B whole square plus 1 by B minus 1 by C whole square, and plus 1 by C minus 1 by A whole square, and the right side is 0. Multiplying, so either this one will be 0 or this one will be 0, because the factors multiply, they are 0. So considering here first one, BC plus CA plus AB divided by ABC equals to 0. After doing cross multiplication, we will get here AB plus BC plus CA, and AB times with 0, then final result this one. And this is our first step, show that AB plus BC plus CA equals to 0. Okay, now started from the second factors. Start. Square equals to 0. Okay, just we are going to start just after Azan. plus 1 by b 1 by c whole square plus 1 by c minus 1 by a whole square equals to 0. We know basically after doing calculation this one just we saw here two factors. From the first factors we shown here AB plus BC plus CA equals to 0, and this was our second factors, like this one our second factors. So first considering the first factor is equal to 0, now considering as a second factor is equal to 0. But what we see inside the second vectors, this one first, second, third, and if a square plus b square plus c square equals to 0, it will be possible if and only if each term will be 0. Otherwise, sum of the square of many terms never be 0. And it's only possible when the each term individual will be 0. This is the formula. So here first term, second one and third one. And each term individually is 0. So considering first one 0 and eliminating square, then doing cross multiplication a equals to b. Similarly here b equals to c, and from the third part c equals to a, and considering a equal b, b equals c equals to a. So together we can write here a equal b equals c, and this is our requirement. So in the next tutorial we will discuss number 9. And thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any questions please do comments, and hopefully see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.